Hello students, good afternoon. This week we are going to work on statistics, mathematics, a little bit of mathematics, okay? We are going to work on page number 55 in your English Please 2 students book. In this activity, you are going to take into account these questions, okay? Page 55, exercise 13. In groups in your house with your family members or your classmates, okay, you can contact your classmates using WhatsApp, okay, using email, using chat, etc., to ask them these questions. You select some of your friends. What do you like to spend your money on? Question B, what should teenagers spend money on? Okay, you have into mind, take into account these questions. This is just for discussion, okay? You don't need to write here. No answers in the book, okay? No answers. Just collect the information, okay? Number 14. Find out, collect information, okay? Collect information about what your friends usually spend money on. You can not only talk about your friends, but also you can talk about your family members, okay? Family members, family members. Family members also is possible, okay? Family members, and you are going to ask some questions. Choose two questions. Select, okay? This is a synonym of select. Select two questions to do the statistics. Okay, questions like this. Do you get pocket money? How much do you get every week? What do you spend your money on? Do you save any money? Look out the verbs. Check out the verbs, okay, in the questions. How much? What do you buy with your savings? Do you usually get money as a present for your birthday or on other occasions? Are you saving for something right now? What? What would you most like to buy? Okay, so this is a group of questions that you need to ask to your friends, okay, to your family members. After you have the answers, please select two questions, okay, and you are going to classify the answers, okay? Classify the answers. For example, activity 15, collect, count, and categorize the answers to the questions in the exercise 14, okay? Collect, count, categorize the answers. Present your statistics in a visual way. You can use different types of charts. Here are some examples. Okay, example number 1, the bar graph. This is option 1. A column graph, option 2, and a pie chart, option 3. In these charts, in these graphs, you are going to present these answers, okay? These answers, okay? So you are not going to write the answers here. For example, question and answer, no, you are not going to do this. You are going to use these charts and these graphs to present these answers, okay? So for example, 2 students spend the money on clothing. 1 student spend the money on food, hamburgers, for example. 5 students, okay, spend the money on technology, for example, okay? And one student or two spend the money on video games. Okay, so you are going to classify the information obtained from these questions. Okay, this is the first part. Okay, so the activity for this week is going to be presented in a Word document, one page, just one page. Okay, the report is one page. Okay, this is the report. One page report. Okay, no more, just one page, no more, one page report. What does this report include? This report includes two parts. Part number one is going to be your chart or your column graph or your bar graph. Okay, this is part number one. Part number two in the report, okay, this is part number one, and part number two is going to be the written report. In this written report, you are going to do, using these expressions, okay, using these expressions, you are going to report the statistics. Okay, you can use these expressions. You can use this expression, or this, or this, or this, or this. This is going to be a five-line report. Okay, 5-line report, no more. Okay, just 5-line report. In this report, you are going to write the results. Okay, using these expressions. Okay, using these expressions. So you are going to use a Word document. In this section, okay, you are going to include, the first part is going to be the charts. Okay, for example, this is your report in the charts, and the second part of the report is going to be written. Okay, written section, using these expressions. Okay, using these expressions. Okay, the report. So section 1, the pictures, the chart or the graph, you select one, and the second part is going to be the report of the results. Okay, this is this week's activities. No, you are not going to work in the book. Okay, no book, just a Word document, no more. Word document, including the two parts, the graph, and the second part, reporting the statistics using these expressions. Okay, this is this week's activities. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.